In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you a new secret how to make money online without investing any money from your pocket. And guys, I have discovered this amazing website that it's going to make you earn money a lot, and it's completely for free. And I'm referring to one of the best sites that I have discovered yet. So what you'll have to do is just listen carefully to every explanation that I'm going to give you, because in fact it's really easily. You just have to create an account, and later on everything will be handled by the website itself. I know it sounds too good to be true, but everything is real. So prepare yourself to make thousands of dollars really quickly and really easily, and to increase your incomes through the night. So guys, what you will have to do, as I told you, just watch this video, learn all of the tricks, and then in the end, you'll be capable by setting up this for yourself, and then you can accept to earn a lot of money. Now, before I give you more details, first, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way, you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump over to Google, guys, because it will be the first step of this method of earning money online. As soon as you open Google, you are going to do a small search, and that will be about pictures. So we are going to search for different images on Google because we need for this method. And those images can be on whatever niche you want to. It doesn't have any limits. So guys, I'm going to search up for the images of flowers because a lot of people love flowers. So try to find pictures about something that people love and can resist to watch it. So animals, cute pictures of animals, or beautiful pictures of flowers. And as you can see, I've wrote down pretty flowers, so in this way they can attract the attention of the people. So after searching up for the pictures, what you will have to do is download some of the most beautiful pictures that you have found on Google, and I'm going to tell you later on why do we need that. But first, let me represent to you the website that is going to make you earn money today, and that is called teespring.com. So Teespring is a design clothes store, guys. So here you can design different things, starting with clothes, accessories, and many more. So it's a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. No cost, no hassle, no risk. As I told you, this is completely for free, and here you can design plenty of things. If you scroll down a little bit, you are going to discover a lot of designs over here. And as you can check out by yourself too, they have plenty of different designs. Now, you're probably wondering and asking yourself, how you're going to create these designs when you don't have any experience on design. Well, in fact, you don't need that experience because everything is going to be handled by the Teespring itself. Let me give you more information, guys, how this is going to work out. So first, let's have a look of their shop. What do they offer to the people? As you can see on the categories over here, they have different things, starting with apparel, but not only. And on the apparel section, they have like hoodies, they have like t-shirts, like sports, and many more clothes. But they also have home decor accessories for phones or for people and many more. Now guys, how it works like this. So first you need to create a design. So design products and create a custom store instantly for free with Spring. And then you are going to share, connect your social accounts, promote your launch, and share your products with your community. And then you're going to get the profit you deserve while we handle production, shipping, customer support for you. Now, I know that you probably thought to yourself, okay, so we created the design. What we are going to do next? So next, you're going to leave everything to the Spring. So Teespring is going to think about anything else, starting with the production, starting with the shipping, the customer support. So you don't have to worry for any of that. So guys, click on that start creating over here and create your first account and become part of one of the best sites ever. So click your name, email, password, confirm password, prove that you're not a robot, click sign up, or you can continue with Facebook, Google, and YouTube, and you are ready to go and earn some money with these designs. Now you can pick up whatever design you want to. As I told you, they have a lot of products: apparel, digital, home and decor, accessories, collections, and many more that you can check out by yourself too, because I don't want to prolong this video and show you all of the designs that they have, because there are a lot. Now guys, after checking out all of this, what you will have to do is choose a product. So you can choose whatever you want to. I'm at the section of the t-shirts for women, and I'm going to choose this one over here just as to give you as an example what you're going to do. So here you can add the image, you can add text. So for example, you can write whatever you want to on that text, whatever type of thing. Like you have the text over here, and then you can type whatever you want to. So you can create a t-shirt with a text, or you can add an image and you can set it up on the t-shirt at whatever position you want to. You can choose the product colors, so you can choose and decide what color the product should be. So even in this way, you have a lot on your hands. And then guys, you can also set the price for yourself. And I'm going to show you how much you are going to earn by doing that. So let's go over and let me give you an example. So I have added this t-shirt over here. I've decided for the white color. And as you can see, I have put the flower that I told you to search up before. Now, you don't have to focus on the flowers only, because you have to focus on those niche which are famous and people love. You can search up on Google for the best niche for clothes, and you can see on Google the results what they are going to suggest you. Now guys, I will personally tell you to focus on those things like people really love and can resist, like flowers, animals, nature, and things like this. So after you have put the image there, then you can change the position, and also you can make it smaller or bigger or whatever you want to. So after finishing up with all of this process of putting the image over there, then next you're going to set the price. Now Teespring, it sets the price by itself too, so he gives a value to what you have created, and you can see the profit that you can get from this sale. If you think that what you have created deserves a better price, then you can change the price by yourself. And as you can see, you can check also the profit. Now guys, don't put a very large price, because no one is going to buy your product if it's just a simple t-shirt. So take into consideration that you are just trying to sell a t-shirt, and put the price that it deserves. And you're going to see the profits over here. For only one t-shirt, I'm going to earn $60. Now imagine having a big traffic source, and we are going to find that on Facebook. I will totally recommend to you searching up for groups on Facebook related to the niche. In our case, we have it flower lovers. So as you can see, you can write down flower lovers or flower enthusiastic or whatever you want to, and you're going to find these groups which love flowers, and if they see this design, they will probably going to buy it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check out other videos as well.